Your body and your fascia love consistency, love it. Felt sense through a fascial release is a language for you to develop over time and with practice. And on this channel here, we're not here to perform, but we're here to engage, to deepen the learning curve, and to understand our body and listen to it through felt sense techniques. Fascia Lately is here to support you in building a relationship with your body in a way that builds confidence and trust in understanding your body's signals. Some days you might need structure and a flow of therapeutic sequences. Some days you might just need simple awareness-paced movement. Some days your body might need your presence more than it needs anything else. You can think of these videos like tools that act like a guide to enhance that mind-body connection that exists in your fascia. And the most important thing I want you to know is this: you don't have to believe in this work or have a deep understanding of it for it to help you, but you do have to be willing to try feeling something different. You need to engage with it, because once you feel something shift in your body, even a little bit, your body starts reciprocating in kind through felt sense feedback. And that feedback is what builds trust. And not with me, not trust with me, but trust in yourself. And that's really the long game here. Helping people recognize that feeling their body isn't optional, it's foundational. So just start with where you are. Join me on the mat. Let your body show you how it can lead more than you think. Be here for the learning curve. Come curious. Stay with intention. And let's just see what that body has to say.